Good day everyone. Myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgotias University. Today we will discuss about monophasic liquid dosage form. When a solute is dissolved in a solvent system, it forms one phase. One phase means only liquid phase. There is no chance of solid phase in monophasic liquid dosage form. It means monophasic dosage form, liquid dosage form refers to liquid preparation containing two or more components in one phase system, and it is represented by true solution. A true solution or monophasic liquid dosage form is a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving solute in a suitable solvent system. The component of solution which is present in large quantity is known as solvent, whereas the component present in small quantity is termed as solute. Now, we will discuss our first monophasic liquid dosage form, that is gargles. Gargles are aqueous solution containing antiseptic or antibiotics, and they are used to treat throat infection. They are available in concentrated form and required to be diluted before the administration. The gargles are generally diluted with warm water. Phenol or thymol is used as antimicrobial agent in gargles, and they are present in very low concentration. Both phenol and thymol provides mild antiseptic effect. Potassium chloride is also present in gargles, and it gives astringent effect. KCl, potassium chloride, also stimulates the flow of saliva and which releases the drug. Example of gargles is phenol gargles. There is one term that is astringent effect. Astringent means the component which have ability to precipitate protein from the membrane. All the biological membrane is made up of four layers: protein, lipid and protein, and this model is also known as sandwich model. Astringent, for example KCl, potassium chloride and ethyl alcohol, precipitate protein content of the biomembrane. Liquefy lipid content also comes out through the pores formed in the protein membrane, and in this way they act as killing effect. They have ability to kill microbes, but the basic phenomena is precipitation of protein. The formula used to prepare phenol gargle is phenol glycerin 5 ml, amaranth solution 1 ml, and purified water quantity sufficient up to 100 ml. Mouthwash is another monophasic liquid dosage form. It means in mouthwash, API is solubilized within the solvent system. Generally aqueous solution with pleasant taste and odor, used to clean and deodorize the buccal cavity, and it is known as mouthwash. Mouthwash have antiseptic and astringent activity. They may also contain alcohol, glycerin, surfactant, synthetic sweeteners, flavoring and coloring agents. Example of mouthwash is compound sodium chloride mouthwash. As we have studied in the case of gargles, gargles require dilution before use, but mouthwash doesn't need any dilution before the administration. Throat paint is another monophasic liquid dosage form, and it is viscous liquid preparation used for mouth and throat infection. Generally glycerin is used as a base, and it have ability to adhere to the mucous membrane for a longer period of time. Glycerin also provide viscosity to the medium. Glycerin provides prolonged action of medicine because of adherence. Glycerin also provides sweet taste to the preparation. It means formulation chemist doesn't need to add any sweetening agent in throat paint if glycerin is used as medium. Example of throat paint is compound iodine throat paint. Eardrop is another monophagic liquid dosage form and it is used for cleansing, pain relieving and antiseptic action. In that preparation, the drug is dissolved or suspended in suitable solvent such as propylene glycol, polyethylene glycol, glycerol, alcohol and water or a mixture of these. Aqueous vehicles is generally not used because the secretion of ear are fatty in nature, oily in nature and they have less ability to mix with water. It means in eardrop vehicles should be non-aqueous for the better cleansing effect. Example of eardrop is chloramphenicol eardrop. Nasal drop is another monophagic liquid dosage form and they are administered to nasal cavity. Administration through the nose to obtain local effect. They are also used during nasal congestion and upper respiratory tract problems. In the nasal drop, generally aqueous vehicles are used for the better interaction with nasal secretion. In the nasal drop preparation, some thickening agents are also used, for example methyl cellulose, to match the viscosity of formulation with nasal secretion. Nasal drop mainly used for decongestant and antibiotic purpose. Example of nasal drop is ephedrine nasal drop. From the complete study, it can be summarized that in monophagic liquid dosage form, solute particles are soluble in solvent system. Gargles may be available in concentrated form. Mouthwash and throat paint are aqueous in nature. Aqueous vehicles are generally not used in the preparation of ear drop. The question arises after the complete study may be define monophagic liquid dosage form, differentiate between gargles and mouthwash, define eardrop with suitable examples, and enlist various properties of gargles. These are the references which can be utilized for advanced study about the monophagic liquid dosage form. Thank you very much. You can contact on given email ID as well as contact number for any query.